Supercharge your writing, mastering grammar and spell checkers. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the English language one topic at a time. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for mastering English writing, using grammar and spell checkers. These tools are like your personal language detectives, finding and fixing errors to polish your English writing to perfection. Grammar and spell checkers are digital tools that help writers correct language mistakes. These tools can be standalone applications, browser extensions, or even built into word processors like Microsoft Word and Google Docs. They analyze your text for a variety of errors, including spelling mistakes, incorrect grammar, and improper punctuation. Even the best writers make mistakes, and that's where these tools come in handy. Grammar and spell checkers. 1. Boost your confidence. Knowing your writing will be proofread increases your confidence to express your ideas. 2. Save you time. Instead of manually checking every word and sentence, these tools do the heavy lifting for you. 3. Help you learn. They not only correct your errors but often explain your mistakes so you can learn and improve. Using grammar and spell checkers is simple. After you've finished writing, 1. Copy your text into the tool, or if it's integrated into your writing platform, simply start the checker. 2. The tool will highlight potential errors. 3. When you click on the highlighted word or phrase, the tool will suggest corrections. 4. Review each suggestion carefully. Remember, these tools are not 100% accurate, and sometimes your original text may be correct. While grammar and spell checkers are wonderful tools, it's important to not become too reliant on them. They're not infallible and can sometimes miss nuances of human language. Always double-check the suggestions, especially when 1. Working with idioms or expressions. Automated checkers might not recognize them. 2. Using complex sentence structures. The tool might misunderstand your meaning. 3. Writing creatively. Creativity often bends the rules, and what's technically wrong might be stylistically right for your piece. There you have it, language learners. Grammar and spell checkers are invaluable tools for mastering English writing. They help catch and correct errors, bolster your confidence, save you time, and facilitate learning. But remember, while these tools are useful, they're not perfect. Always review their suggestions and make the final call yourself. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep writing, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!